to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already and hit the little bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so I have a very exciting video for you today. I was not planning on filming a video today and something came and I'm like, oh my goodness, I have to film it because I need to open it and I want to make sure that I film my first reactions. So after many months of watching videos about Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, I finally broke down and ordered one and it came today and I'm super excited. Here it is. So this is the box. I got and I have to look because I can't remember. I got the fantasy box and it was $59. It says our most popular box. It says, this is our most popular box. This box is packed full of magic any Disney lover is sure to cherish. So this box is going to contain 3 to 5 items. I did check the box that said, like, I want quality over quantity. So yeah, the box itself is really, really cute. I'm really happy with it, but let's dig in because I'm just like super excited. Okay, so I already cut it open. So when you open it up, there's lots of confetti, cute little sticker, blue tissue paper. I'm not gonna open all this because I don't wanna like get a spoiler, but there's a thing that says happy Bibbidi Bobbidi 1-year birthday, and I think this is the packing list that's going to say what's in it. So let's go ahead and rip it open. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, this is cute. It is a little hat, and it says Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. I like that. I don't think I've seen this in the parks. It does say a Disney Parks Resort exclusive. So that's cute. I love the Pirates ride, and I actually don't have any like Pirates ears, so that will come in handy. Oh, and I got, oh my god, I see something, and that wasn't the first thing that I saw. Holy mac and cheese. Oh my god, I am so excited. This is a little Loungefly wallet. It is pink, which is my absolute favorite. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. So this is one of those things that I absolutely love, but I've never purchased for myself. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. It has lots of credit card slots and a little zipper pouch here for coins, and it is just this hot pink sequined. I've seen this before. I'm dead. I'm dead. This is so amazing. I love it. Oh my goodness. These girls, like, they read my preferences and they nailed it. This is amazing. Okay, so that wasn't what I originally saw. I originally saw a shirt. I think it's a shirt. It looks like a shirt. I don't want to get that stuff all over. And this is it, and I think it's Marvel. It says Cosmic Threat. Oh, and this is Thanos. Isn't that Thanos? I think that is Thanos. Wow, that's cool. I'm not sure I put Marvel on my my preferences. It says it's a Disney Parks exclusive. That is super cute. It's kind of like burnt out. I don't know if that's coming through. Like, isn't that what that's called? I think it's called like burnout. So it's kind of thin. It's nice for the parks. I think it's an extra large, so it might be a little bit big. Oh, it's a medium. That's a medium? Oh, maybe it's a medium for men. Oh, this is probably a men's shirt because those armholes look really big, but if I wear like a cami underneath, it'll be super cute. Oh my goodness. That's really cute. Oh my goodness. So I think, yeah, that's all that came in the box, which is totally fine with me because, like I said, I went for quality over quantity. I would rather have nicer items than more items. So let's look at the packing slip. So I paid $59 for the box, and the Loungefly wallet was $44. The Disney Marvel Cosmic Threat shirt was $29.99, and the Pirates of the Caribbean hat was $24.99, which gave a retail value of $98.98, and I paid $59 for the box. So I think that is an incredible deal. And then, let's see, let me go back and read this. So it says, Happy Bibbidi Bobbidi, happy birthday, BBB, 1 year. From the bottoms of our heart, we want to thank each of you for making this dream of ours a reality. We are so grateful that you have allowed us the opportunity to share our passion with you. We hope through the process we have made each of your days a little more magical. All of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, Walt Disney. And then I think in here is their little birthday button. Oh my god. Oh, look! It's a little Mickey bar. It's a little vinyl sticker. There's a bunch of things in here. And then, oh, this is cute. The little stormtrooper. He's really cute. And what's that? Oh, I think, is that Gus or Jacques from Cinderella, I think, maybe? Those are cute little stickers. Oh, and then here is the little button that says BBB. It's their little happy birthday button. Okay, well, I'm thrilled with this box. This is my first Bibbidi Bobbidi box, and it definitely will not be my last. I will say that I was super, super detailed in my preferences. I wrote like a book of exactly what I wanted and exactly what I didn't want. I was very, very specific, and I think that they really did listen, and I think that they nailed it, and I love my box. So ladies from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, if you're watching this, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so excited, and I can't wait for next month. Go ahead and tell me in the comments below what your favorite item from this Bibbidi Bobbidi box was, and tell me, do you subscribe to Bibbidi Bobbidi box? If you do and have made a video of you unboxing your Bibbidi Bobbidi box, go ahead and drop the link to your video in the comments below. I would love to check it out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!